Hello plant enthusiasts, today we're delving into the lush world of Philodendron Swiss cheese, a captivating and iconic houseplant that brings a touch of tropical flair to your indoor spaces. But before we dive into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, particularly found in regions like Mexico and Panama, this philodendron thrives in warm and humid environments. Its distinctive leaf preparations are thought to be an adaptation to optimize light exposure in its natural habitat. This houseplant is celebrated for its unique and fenestrated leaves resembling the hulls in Swiss cheese. With lush green foliage and a vining habit, Swiss cheese adds a touch of tropical elegance to any indoor setting. It's known for its adaptability and air purifying qualities, making it a standout in the world of botanical wonders. To successfully cultivate philodendron Swiss cheese, it's essential to provide the right growing conditions. This iconic houseplant thrives in well-draining soil with bright, indirect light. It's relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and occasional fertilization during the growing season. Maintaining a consistent temperature and providing support for its climbing vines are crucial for its well-being. Philodendron Swiss cheese adapts well to indoor environments, bringing a touch of the tropics to your home. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Until next time, may your indoor jungle thrive and may your encounters with philodendron Swiss cheese bring a touch of tropical elegance and natural beauty to your botanical adventures. Farewell and happy gardening.